In this video, I'm going to cover 5 passive income streams that make money while I sleep in 2025. Each of these are making me at least $1,000 per month, right? Now, and they be relatively easy to set up once you know how. Plus, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get started with each one. So stick around until the end of the video for the full step-by-step instructions. Let's go. The first way that I am currently making over $1,000 per month passively is through my book royalties. The thing about being an Amazon best-selling author is that once your book is written and published, it continues to sell forever. As long as I keep the book updated with new content, I will continue to get sales every single day without doing any work. And here's proof. This is how much money I made from my Amazon books last month. Not bad, huh? Now, some of you might think that writing a book is not easy, but let me show you something. If you can write a 300-page book in under 6 months, you can earn $100K a year. In fact, that's how much my best friend made by following this exact formula. He's a doctor who wanted to spend more time with his family and less time working, so he spent just 1 hour per week writing a book on the side. 1 hour per week turned into roughly 20 hours. Total over 6 months, and he had a best-selling book on Amazon that earns him over $100,000 per year passively. To get started with this exact strategy, check the description below for a free guide I put together with everything you need to know. It'll walk you through every step of the process from coming up with ideas all the way to publishing and promoting your book. You can also watch this video next for more details on how to become an Amazon best-selling author. If you thought that was good, just wait until you hear what I'm about to share with you next. Alright, moving on to number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Whenever someone makes a purchase through one of my links, I get paid a commission, and guess what? I have affiliate links literally everywhere. My website, my social media bios, emails I send out, even conversations I have in real life. Basically anywhere someone can click and make a purchase, there's a good chance I have an affiliate link attached to it. And since I talk about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship, I focus my affiliate links around those topics. When someone clicks my link and makes a purchase, whether it's through credit card interest or investing in stocks, I'll receive a commission. Some companies pay a flat rate for every person who signs up through my link, while others pay a percentage of whatever they spend. For example, if someone were to sign up for a credit card through one of my links and spends $5,000, I'd make 2% of that $5,000 commission. Here's proof that affiliate marketing works. These are my earnings from last month. Once again, not bad, right? Now you may be thinking that affiliate marketing is hard, but guess what? That's not true. There are 3 simple steps to get started with affiliate marketing. First, pick a topic that interests you, like fitness. Next, find an affiliate program for that topic, such as a popular meal delivery service. And third, promote your affiliate link to people who would be interested in buying that product. Like if you run a fitness channel, you can paste your link into your posts and descriptions and include a call to action that encourages people to use your link. Then you'll get paid every time someone signs up through your unique affiliate link. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Check the description for a free course that teaches you how to become an affiliate marketer from scratch. Alright, moving on to number 3, which is sponsorships. Anytime a company wants to reach my audience, they can sponsor my content. Last month, I made over $50,000 in sponsorships alone. And guess what? Most of the work was done by my team. All I did was show up and talk about products I actually use myself. For example, when Masterworks reaches out to me, I'll review their offerings, ask questions, and if it's a good fit, we'll move forward with a partnership. Then I'll create a piece of content around their product and mention them throughout the video. This could be in the form of a cooking video, an investing video, or anything else that makes sense for my audience. Here's how it works. Brands approach me because they want to reach my audience. In exchange for reaching their potential customers, brands pay me, which is how I make money. Don't worry, you don't need millions of followers to start getting sponsorships. In fact, I know several small creators with less than 10,000 followers who are getting paid thousands of dollars per sponsored post. If you want to learn how to get your first sponsorship deal, check the description below for a free guide. It walks you through how to pitch brands, negotiate deals, and deliver on your promises so you can build long-term relationships with companies. And now it's time for the main event, number 4, which is YouTube ads. Last month, I made over $60,000 from YouTube ads. Here's how it works. When you upload a video to YouTube, you'll see an option to turn on monetization. This allows you to earn revenue from views on your videos. The amount you make per view depends on the type of ad shown, how many people see it, and when they interact with it. This means that longer videos tend to make more money because they get more views over time. For example, if a video gets 1 million views in a month, it could generate anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 in revenue. That's why it's important to upload high-quality videos that people will enjoy watching again and again. It also helps to have a large subscriber base, so that your videos reach as many people as possible. You can also get creative with your titles and thumbnails to draw in more viewers. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Check the description below for a free course that teaches you how to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to over 100,000 in less than 30 days. And finally, number 5, my online courses. When I first started teaching people how to invest, it was a lot of work. I had to create the course content, set up the website, and try to market it to potential students. But now that it's up and running, it makes me at least $1,000 per month in autopilot. And here's how it works. Once a student purchases my course, they get access to video lessons, live office hours, and private community groups. My team handles all the day-to-day operations of the courses, including customer support, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm constantly updating the course content and adding new lessons to keep things fresh and engaging for students. If you're interested in creating your own online course, check the description below for a free guide that teaches you how to go from idea to launch in 7 easy steps. So there you have it, 5 different ways that I'm making over $1,000 per month passively. Remember, it takes time and effort to build these passive income streams, but the hard work pays off in the long run. Don't be afraid to take risks, try new things, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. I hope this video has inspired you to start building your own passive income streams. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.